traveling the country in our vans. Yeah, we're cheap wanderers, traveling the country in our vans. Hey, we ain't nobody, we're just traveling this land. Hey there, I'm Denny, one of 3 cheap wanderers. My wife Dottie is behind the camera, and Lee, well, he's working on his van somewhere else here in Florida. And I'm here to tell you about the campground that we're in right now, which is Ocean Pond Campground. Now, I'll tell you what, I really like this campground. It's a wonderful campground. It's got laundry facilities, it's got showers, it's got restrooms, it's got whatever you need here. You got water, and you got electric, and then you got the primitive stuff. It's all, and then if you like to look at the water, there's a nice pond out there. If you like to go fishing, you can take your boat out there, do some fishing. It's really a nice place. And you get a really, look at this, you get a really nice little setup. Now, this isn't all of our setup because it was starting to rain, so we put it away. But this is a really nice setup. Don't trip on the bowl. What I'm here to talk to you about is we actually had started a thing where if you see us or if you meet with us, you can sign our trailer. Yes, we have a trailer behind us. Here's our van. Nice little van. We live in this thing and we sleep in it and we eat in it, and when I can, I actually watch TV. That's when we get a good picture. Now this van, or this trailer, we bought it pretty inexpensively, and it was painted. We painted it ourselves. I spray painted the wheel and all that. We put new wheels on it, rims and tires and all that. It's a nice van, or a nice trailer. Now what we did was we met up with some people up in another campground, a 7-mile campground, and they actually started the signature process. Right here is our first signature. This is Tracy, 11-11-18. The Forest Preserve, Osceola Forest Preserve, a 17-mile campground. And his wife Angie, good luck on your adventures. And this has definitely turned out to be an adventure. It's fun. All the best. 11-13-18 from Christine, and she's originally from Minnesota. We ran into her here at this campground, and thanks for being so friendly, Rogan, her son, 11-13-18. Now these guys took this is the original, or these are what you started out. Now if you see us at a Walmart parking lot, or a Lowe's parking lot, or something like that, if you see us and you see this trailer, don't hesitate to stop and say hey, and put your name on, and where you saw us on this trailer. Chances are, if you're a regular watcher, you will see your name appear on there, and it'll go across, and millions of people will see it, or at least maybe thousands, who knows, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, and if you're watching us now or later or whenever, thank you for watching, for one thing, and please subscribe, and if you like what you see, click the like button. If you have any comments, just put it in on the comment part of the page. Y'all have a good one, and I'll catch you later on.